Hi, welcome to the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny, brought to you by the Greater Baton Rouge Association of Realtors, sponsored by the Assurance Financial. The number of homes for sale, days on market, and months of supply were all down in year-over-year comparisons in a majority of the country for the entirety of 2017, as was housing affordability. And although total sales volumes were mixed, prices were consistently up in most markets. Buyers may not benefit from higher prices, but sellers do, and there should be more listing activity by more confident sellers in 2018. At least that would be the most viable prediction for an economic landscape pointing toward improved conditions for sellers. Pending sales decreased 13.2% from Q4 2016 to 2,222 for the quarter. Closed sales decreased 15.6% from Q4 2016 to 2,420 for the quarter. Sales decreased compared to last year, but that has less to do with buyer interest and more to do with a lower number of options available for purchase. The number of homes for sale was up compared to this time last year. Inventory levels market-wide increased 9.1% to 3,393 units. More listings and more new home builds are anticipated in 2018, but it remains to be seen if the increases can help several years of decline. Prices were up compared to last year at this time. The median sales price increased 11.2% to $199,000. Price increases have been the norm this year, and that is not expected to change in 2018. Buyer demand remains high, and economic indicators that predict buying activity are largely positive. Month supply of inventory was up 8.8% to 3.7 months. Housing supply was higher compared to last year, a growth rarity in an environment of regularly lower figures. Percent of list price received at sale rose to 97.6% since last year. Unemployment rates have remained low throughout 2017, and wages have shown improvement, though not always to levels that match home price increases. Yet housing demand remained incredibly strong in 2017, even in the face of higher mortgage rates that are likely to increase further in 2018. Home building and selling professionals are both cautiously optimistic for the year ahead. Housing and economic indicators give reason for this optimism, with or without new federal tax legislation. That's the Greater Baton Rouge Skinny for this quarter. Check back next quarter for the latest.